Hello student. Previous video we saw coordinate geometry, introduction of section formula. Please share and subscribe that video. In that video we studied introduction of section formula that only we are using in this exercise 7.2. Now here we will see question number 1 and 2. So don't miss out that video. Here, first question, find the coordinates of the points which divides the join of -1 and 7. Here one point is there and another one is 4 and -7. One line segment is there suppose, and it's having these 2 points, and another points is divide these 2 points. Means suppose this, if you consider these 2 points, it's become a one line segment, and one another point is dividing that these 2 points. So in the ratio 2:3. Now see here these 2 points already, this -1 and 7 and 4 and -3. So here written means you will understand that means this become a line segment. These 2 points are there, -1 and 7, and another one is 4 and -3. For your understanding we can use this for formula. So x1 and y1, this x2 and y2, and here sentence is given, find the coordinates of the points which divides the joint. Now here point P is there, x and y, that coordinates we have to find. This point is dividing the joining of these two. This joining of two means it's become a line segment. These 2 points are there, and after joining segments it's become a line segment, and one point is dividing that, and that point's coordinates we have to find. Actually it is, sentence is very simple. So after the figure you will understand this. Now here to find this x and y, by section formula we have to use, that we studied in previous video. So this x we have to find, x equal to, then what is the formula, already we studied. This point P is dividing in ratio 2:3, means this is 2:3, means m1 and m2, means here I have written, so m1 is become 2 and m2 is 3. This is the m2, we can see here. This is suppose m1 and m2. So this m1 m2 is 3, means m1 become 2 and m2 is 3. That only we are using in the formula. Now here m1 x2 plus m2 x2. So all values you know that. So x2 is 4 and m1 is 2. So 2 into 4 plus, what is the m2? 3. Already we got now here. And x1 is what here? -1. So here 2 into 4, 8 plus, actually here plus is there, but here 3 into minus, here like this also you can see this, plus -3, means 3 into -1 -3, means here 2 into 4 8, plus sign as it is, this multiplication is -3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So here 8 minus, here plus and minus is there, so it's become -8 -3, their subtraction is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 upon 5 means 1. X you got 1. Then same way we have to find out the y2. So here x2, y we have to, not y2, y we have to find out. So here x we are finding, so x we are using. Now y we have to find, so y. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 you know that 2 into y2 is here, see, y2 -3 again, plus then m2 is 3 into y1. Where is y1? y1 is here, that is the 7 into 7. So 2 into -3 is -6, plus as it is 3 into 7 21 upon 5. So 21 minus 6, subtraction is 15, and bigger number sign, that plus will come. So 15 upon 5, division is coming 3. So first x point we got 1 and 3. So required coordinates point is 1 and. Now see question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 -1 and -2 -3. Here Find the coordinates of the points trisection. Trisection means 2 points are coming. Because of the 2 points, one line become 3 parts. One line's parts become 3. See, 2 points are there, 4 and -1 and -2 -3. Suppose this A and B, 4 -1 and B. And if 2 points are dividing, that means it's become 3 points trisection. It's become trisection AP, PQ and QB. Here given that no, find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Means we have to find out the points of this P and these coordinates points of Q. And why trisection or why 2 points? Because they told the find the coordinates of the points of trisection. When 3 parts will become one, this one line, it's there is a 2 points are there. Because of that 2 points, it's become a 3 parts, means trisection. Okay. Now with the help of the section formula, we have to find out these coordinates of this P and coordinates of this Q. Now here let 4 and -1 and B -2 -3. Divide the given segment AB into 3 equal parts. Here see AP this one part, PQ one part and QB one part, means these parts are equal. It becomes 3 sections, so trisection. Now see point P and Q are called points of trisection. That already I told orally or explained. Point P, now this point P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Then how this 1:2? Only we are considering now only point P. Don't think that Q. Point P divides this AB in the ratio 1:2. So AB is there. So this 1:2, this AP is bigger and this another one is the PB. Okay, try to. So PB is means what? 1 plus 1 means it's become 2. So it's coming 1:2. Try to understand this. Point P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. How 1:2? Because we are using for M1 and M2. We have to use this value. If you didn't understand M and M2, how it is came, then it is difficult to solve. So other x1 and x2, y1 and y2, these points are there. This we have to find out m1 and m2. So here point P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. P is there, so don't consider Q. So AP and PB. So AP is 1 and in PB 2 parts are coming. So 1 and 1. So it means become a 2. So 1:2 internally and Q. Now same way Q we have to take, don't consider P. So Q is there, so AQ and QB. So in AQ 1 and 1, so 2. 2 means Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally. Okay, then we can solve these coordinates of the points P, X, Y. So X equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. So already we know that. So here this one we can say that this is the X1 and Y1 and this X2 and Y2. So it will become easy to solve. You will understand then. So M1 for X, M1 is 1. X2 is what? Your -2. Put the values. Then M2 is 2 into 4, means x1 is 4 here, x1 is 4 and upon m1 plus m2. So 1 plus 2. We have taken m is 1 and m2 is 2. So -1 into 1 into -2. So -2 plus 2 into 4, 8. Then upon 1 plus 2, 3. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 upon 3, 2. Now again y we have to find out, m1 y2 plus m2. So put the value. Now here m is the 1 into y2 minus 3 is coming. See, y2 is minus 3. So put the value like this. Then here m2 is 2 into y1 is minus 1. See, it's minus 1. And then m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. So minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus we have to take the addition. And minus sign we have to give minus 5 upon 3. So what values you got? 2 and 5 minus 3. These two first points. Both coordinates we have to find out q. Now for q. Now for coordinates of point q, x and y. So see m1, x2, x1 and y1 same will come, only this ratio will change 2 and now m1 is 2, m2 is 1. So 2 into minus, x2 is minus 2. See here, x2 minus 2. Like this values you can put here. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4. 2 plus 1. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4. 1 into 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 is become 0 upon 3 means it's 0. Then same way y you have to find out. Here m1 is 2 and y2 is minus 3 plus m1 into minus 1. So minus 6 multiplication and minus 1. So minus 7 upon 3. So q becoming 0 and 7 upon 3. Now next video we will see exercise 7.3 question number 3.